Section 2, subsection 11, body corporate or corporation includes a company incorporated outside India but does not include a cooperative society registered under any law relating to cooperative societies and any other body corporate not being a company as defined in this act, which the central government may by notification specify in this behalf. A body corporate or corporation means any artificial legal person created by law. Basically, an organization that has its own separate legal identity just like a human being and can own property, enter into contracts, sue or be sued in its own name. This includes companies registered under the Companies Act in India, companies incorporated outside India, foreign companies, but does not include cooperative societies because they are governed by the cooperative laws, not by company law. Any other kind of body corporate that the central government may exclude by notification. Why this distinction exists? The Company Act mainly governs companies, not cooperatives or other special legal bodies. Some organizations, though corporate in nature, may be excluded to avoid overlap of laws. Example, included as body corporate, Reliance Industries Limited, Indian company, Google LLC, foreign company incorporated in the US. Not included, Saraswat Cooperative Bank, a cooperative society under cooperative law. Any entity that the government specifically exempts. Key features: a body corporate always has a separate legal identity from its members. Example, if you own shares in Infosys, you don't personally own Infosys office building. The company's Infosys Limited owns them because it is a separate person in the eyes of law. In short, a body corporate is a company-like legal entity, Indian or foreign, but it does not cover cooperative societies or any entity specifically excluded by the government.